Hello guys, welcome back to Yaa Asantewaa's kitchen. To my Ghanaian people, Memawa Akwaba to Yaa Asantewaa's kitchen. Today, Yaa Asantewaa is going to make a Japanese food. Now let me introduce the ingredients to you. Okras, octopus and squid, lemon, ginger, garlic, scallion, soy sauce, sugar. Guys, the first step is to wash and cut the okra. Next, cut the ginger garlic scallion. Wash and cut the lemon. You will need 2 slices of the lemon first. And take the seed out. Guys, the first step is to cook your okra about 10 minutes. Add some water into the pot. And okra. The okra is ready. I'm going to take the okra out. Pour the water into the pot. Take 2 slices of the lemon in, ginger, and add octopus squid in. Cook it about 10 minutes. Now let's make the sauce. First, squeeze the lemon juice out. Put some sugar in it. Two spoons of the soy sauce. And add the garlic scallion in. Stir it. Guys, the squid and the octopus are ready. Now I'm going to put them into a bowl with the cold water for it to cool down for some minutes. Guys, now I'm going to mix the octopus and squid okra with salt. Guys, this is the Japanese appetizing octopus and squid. Let me try it. It tastes very good and fresh, and it's a little bit sour and sweet, with the smell of the lemon. I can't stop eating more. Guys, you can eat this with some man food. When you are losing the appetite, eating this food is a very good choice. So please watch more videos and try to make your own appetizer. If you like my videos, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.